with total tooth replacement, meaning a patient is either going to lose all their teeth or they have no teeth. You can easily make dentures for a patient, but if we start bringing implants into the mix, now we have levels of function, satisfaction, confidence, and beauty that we often were unable to attain before. There are multiple ways which you can use implants with dentures. You can have several implants where a denture snaps on, kind of like a pearl snap shirt would. You can also have a fixed option. Often that's termed a hybrid denture, and it is a full arch tooth replacement. Generally, if it's on the top, there's no palate involved. It's just shaped like a horseshoe. It is very minimal amount of material in there, and it is screwed onto dental implants. In terms of patient confidence and patient function, that is something that generally makes people extremely satisfied long term.